Pendiami ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lakasmi. Ka Henyo Trap Integrated Territorial Organization Hito Student Wings mentakan opai sngi ka khatlai tarik unai wing arajar arpulai marshuai naklas harengkat kipla beran kalalait ban yakendu yu education secretary ka Sarkar Jela uba Ambrose CH Marak ban pensngeu yu ya kajing penseliam ban penmi ya ka scholarship namar ban apply themai menta kaladai henrei tang kabarimru kimpat pelat. Hakajing ekran berkino yalam ka student wings jong ka hito hadin bakilawan yakendu ya uba Ambrose kiliyatu bakajing selam ban poi ki scholarship kala bandai neki bank account baki kena ki apply.
Kum ke jiput syai jong education secretary jong ka yo pen jong ka government of Meghalaya ti pun syai ong ba napok ka ministry kila ong ba it is mandatory ban don ya ka Aadhaar card kenang ba ka link ba ka PMFS ka scholarship kan poi ha respective bank accounts ang katahi next step cubut la lada kidang Islam tingi syubu puar mental lada kat kum gajing pan jungi ting la syuong ban send yang ki alert si sin ban tip ki students ling ba SMS te lada ngi pat yo ya kata lani kino ino ki students ki pat yo ya kata ka SMS alert tingi na kaliang jungi ke hito students wing tingin ya move yang si sin sya ke education department ba ke NIC
Cip sibuk puar ya ka
by the end of this month, by the end of this year, tingin we'll make sure ba kadai ban yo no ka scholarship haman ki students ki barang sa scholarship. Ba sure kata. Kaliang jong i secretary ti ong kumtahi inle akan bala we'll see about that ngin sepet ya kata. Namar ngim palaban patay mo, namar itu ide jong ka education department tingin ngin ham yapet ya ka hukum ai order jong ka NIC kan. National Informatics Center. Wan pe ikini ki online alerts ne ki transactions e ban push poki bank respective bank accounts yung kino ki na apply ka scholarship
tunggi na kaliang jongka hitu student wing milawan kendu ya isar Ambrose CH Marak secretary education department government of Meghalaya demi kwa cimput saya halor kacing penslam ban yo ya scholarship na di hakacing keren jong i bat secretary jongka Education Department Government of Meghalaya ti ilong panakaliang jong Sarkar in naliang jong Sarkar panakaliang so ihi inle katbala ban baik kamkloy le ban wanra kamkloy ya kata ka scholarship ko bakadai ka baha ka bagi kena kidai bang yo
tip kim keli ka ai kadau bot lam
kacing slam ban yo ya scholarship katkum kacing sai bang yo na secretary jong ka education na ka secretary jong ka education department yung namar kidon ki error hakaliang jong ki mai smart jong ki bank account number nang ta kacing slam ban verification yaw ada harkat plus nang ta sakaway long namar ki kena ki kidang operate ya ka bank account Facebook jong ki na ka minor sa ka micor katay kacing sai ba bang iyo na i